Hello guys, welcome back to Cook Jungle. I hope everybody is doing okay. My last video was a guacamole salsa. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a dessert. We're going to be doing a banana cake with almonds. Okay, so we'll get our ingredients first so that we can finish the very quick recipe. So we're going to do it in just a couple of minutes. I have my two bowls here. This will be for the dry ingredients, this one will be for the wet ingredients. Okay guys, so I will start with the ingredients that we need. We're going to need 4 bananas. There you go, 4 bananas, very ripe bananas. Just going to peel them and put them in your bowl. We're going to mash them up. Make sure your bananas are sweet and ripe. There you go. You need the extremely ripe bananas for this recipe. See those bananas that you don't want to eat, that you think are already gone bad or something like that, then you need to use this for this recipe. Don't waste anything. So we have our 4 bananas here. There you go. Then we're going to need half cup of sugar. So I have it here already, half cup of sugar. You put it in with the banana. So we're going to mash this banana together with the sugar. Then we're going to whisk it until it's creamy. Okay guys? Let's mash it up. There you go guys, our banana and sugar mixture, very creamy now. So we're going on to the next step. We're going to need 4 eggs, which I have right here. We're going to need 4 whole eggs for this recipe. Just add them in one by one at a time. Now whisk it. Keep whisking it in. We need that air for the fluffiness. Okay guys, next step, add in 3/4 cup of milk. So this is the cup I'm using. No, 3/4 cup of oil, not milk, sorry. There's a cup of oil. You add it into your mixture. There you go, just 3/4. Just whisk it in together. So make sure you preheat your oven 180 for 10 minutes before you finish making your mixture. So preheat your oven. Okay, next step, 1 cup of milk. We are using almond milk. For those who are dairy free, almond milk is a good substitute. Just do 1 cup only. There you go. Wow. Okay guys, now our wet ingredients are ready. So now we are going to move on to our dry ingredients. Okay guys, so for the dry ingredients we are going to need 1.5 cups of flour,
Wow. Unataka ingine?
Okay guys, that's how you make a banana bread. That was our recipe for today. I hope you liked it. We finished it off with some bananas on the side. You can eat this on the side, and some almonds on the top because we used almond milk. So if you like this video, make sure you press the like button. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and share with your friends and the ones you love. So till next time, bye bye, God bless. Come have a look at this cake.